What's up guys, it's Ray, and today I'm going to show you the top 3 cases to get for your S10 Plus. Starting with the Rugged Armor. Rugged Armor is going to run you 12 bucks and it's worth every penny, trust me. This is the one I use the most. I use it almost every day. The difference with this one this year, as opposed to last year's, is last year's they were all flat on the sides. This year, for some strange reason, they put texture rib on the side. See that? Helps picking up the phone like crazy. Seeing that this is a very thin, longish phone, okay, this helps, especially when you're taking a picture with one hand, very secure. On top of this little lip here and this little lip here, you could just pick it up. This is probably the best case. You see right there? XS Max, same case. Doesn't have this on the side though. This is good. Also, I want to show you something. All the cases from Spigen this year, seeing as the S10 has the speaker all the way up there, if you put this on, you're gonna see it's covered, right? But you see how they raised the case up just a little bit right here? So the sound goes through. That's just great. And this is thin, but this is the best case because it feels like you don't really have a case, but you do. And the case is really good. Offers a lot of protection. And the Bixby button is ripped, so you can tell the difference between the volume rocker and the Bixby button. Crazy, great case. The next one, Tough Armor. You already know. Another one of my favorites. This one comes in at 16 bucks. Worth every penny again. Just these cases. This one is just a little more protection, but it feels good. Also, all these cases prevent that accidental touches on the edge. This one got the kickstand, well known for the kickstand. Watch the videos this way. Actually, you know what? Here we go. Let me show you something. Listen to that. Whoa! Yeah. See? That cutout right there does not hinder the sound. This case is worth every penny. And, all right, so people say, hey, it's flat. The buttons aren't clicky. Look. You hear that? Buttons are fine. This is great. Then the next one I got is the Ultra Hybrid. This is a clear case. I like my clear cases with the black trim with the clear middle because the black on the sides gets yellow, as you can see here. They look hot for like a month, but then it starts getting yellow. This one will always look hot. And this one comes in at 14 bucks. And if you want the clear one will be 13 bucks. I'll link that also. Same thing. The only difference with this one now is that the Bixby button, you can't tell the difference unless you feel the spacing. Like here, you see it's ribbed. Over here, it's not. But this plastic doesn't touch the floor. I mean, the surface you lay it on, because there's a raised up edge here and the camera outing is raised up. So when you lay it down, you're never gonna lay it down on it. And it's good. Has the cutout also on the tip. All these cases have great cutouts on the bottom. So if you want to put like a thicker jack in here, it should fit it. They're all huge cutouts. Look at that. All of them got the same cutouts. And they offer really good protection and they feel really good. It doesn't hinder the design of the phone. None of them do. I recommend all 3 of these cases. If you care about your phone, get some cases. Of course, these are the ones that I recommend. All right, guys. If you liked it, cool. See you in the next one. Peace.